Wait. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! I'm here, Isabel Nicolas Cueto. I'm reporting Justin Cueto is gonna be opening her StackMat.
Yeah.
Well, let's see what's gonna be his reaction. Hello, Justin. What's your reaction today
I feel
for having a new StackMat?
I feel happy.
Happy? Where's the happiness in your face?
Yes.
What? Yes. Is he a weirdo?
He's not a weirdo. He's a man.
Oh, really? Where's the happiness? Smile.
But
Wake up
actually,
your happiness. Please wake up.
drink Coca-Cola.
Brrr.
But actually, he's a weirdo man.
Okay. And now he's actually opening his new StackMat. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
That's a one big StackMat.
Shockwave.
Oh my gosh. Ah,
That's the worst
unruly.
StackMat that I've ever seen.
Shockwave.
Fuck. Oh my F.
Can I borrow that? Can I borrow that?
Hey, where's my gift? Where's my gift? Where's my gift? You're unfair. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. And this is the StackMat.
We're gonna pray the rosary.
And this is Steven Purganan's picture.
We're gonna pray the rosary.
Yeah.
That's all. Merry Christmas to all,
Bye-bye.
all stackers. And God bless.
And now, I don't have something has to say. Merry Christmas.